Hi everyone, and welcome back to my lane. Ready for some Halloween fun? Here we go. So what I'm doing is a bleach design on shirts, and I did both short sleeve and long sleeve shirts, v-neck, crew neck. You can do any kind of t-shirt. The only shirts that I've noticed it does not work on is I don't know what you call it, but it's like those kind of it's almost stonewashed. Is that the right word? Let me show you an example. So I don't know if you can see this, but it's like, see those ones that are like a color, a solid color, but it's kind of speckled with white. And I don't know what the wash of this is called. It doesn't say on here, does it? Heather. That's the word I was looking for. So the heathered colored ones, it does not work on. I tried one and you can't even see the lettering on it at all. So I would say stay away from those, but the solid colors, it can be black, red, purple, whatever the color, it works on those. So I tried it the first time and watched my sister's video, and what I did not pay attention to, the disclaimer that she put in there to not oversaturate. Totally ignored that, and I'm just spraying away. So what you do is combine half and half bleach and water into a bottle, a spray bottle. It can be any kind of spray bottle. So if you have like a cleaning bottle left over, you know, your glass cleaners, your Febreze, your, I don't know, bathroom cleaner, whatever, multi-surface cleaner, whatever kind of bottle you have left over, or if you can find like at Walmart or whatever, how they have like the empty cleaning bottles, they sell those there, probably other places too, but I know for sure at Walmart. But you can use this bottle and just do it like a half and half bleach and water, and then lightly spray the t-shirt. And it's best to do it out in the sun because it helps lift the color. So it may work in the house. I didn't try it, but definitely works outside. I have a little visitor today. Say hi. All right, so keep watching so you can see how I did these these cute t-shirts. So here's the first t-shirts that I tried the bleach design on. And first of all, you do have to put a bag, any type of grocery bag or plastic bag in the t-shirt so that you don't get the design, or the bleach I should say, on the back of the shirt. Next, you'll place the wooden design on the shirt where you like it to be, and then you will spray your bleach mixture on and around the design. As you see, this is where I went wrong. I am just spraying my heart away. Definitely oversaturating. I did want to add that all of these items came from Dollar Tree as well as Michael's. I picked up the bleach as well as the wooden designs. They were signs, but designs from Dollar Tree, and the t-shirts from Michael's. And the spray bottle I just had at home already. As you can see, the bleach ran and the wording was a little messed up, as well as the design. So I decided to try it again, and this time the t-shirts did come from Michael's again, but the middle shirt, the long sleeve shirt, I did find at Dollar Tree. So they do have some t-shirts there. I only saw long sleeve ones at the Dollar Tree near me. This time I made sure to lightly spray the shirts, and as you can see, the color was lifting very fast. So no need to oversaturate, just lightly spray. These turned out beautifully. The one furthest to the left, the pink one, the color did not lift at all, but it was that heathered shirt that I told you about not to use. Once your shirts are complete, toss them in the washing machine on cold. Add your soap and also add some peroxide. This helps stop the bleaching process. In this video, it looks like I'm adding a lot of peroxide, but it's only because I only had a little left in the bottle. You only need a little in there, so a little squirt will do fine. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to like, comment, and if you haven't already, subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.